Are you tired of cookware that promises performance but delivers frustration?
The ones that scratch after few uses, losing their coating and leaching harmful chemicals into your food?
Or the cookware that costs a fortune and they make you question whether you're buying cookware or a small car?
Yep.
Hi, we're Everstt Cookware and we're back on Kickstarter thanks to the incredible support of passionate home cooks like you.
Every great meal starts with the right cookware.
But what if one pot could do it all? Beautifully, easily, and affordably.
This time, we're bringing you something truly special.
Introducing the Everstt Dutch Oven, the one pot that does it all.
No more cluttered cabinets or endless piles of pots and pans.
With Everstt, you unlock endless possibilities in your kitchen. Imagine braising, frying, sautéing, searing, boiling, or even baking, all with a single stunning Dutch oven designed to handle every culinary challenge with elegance and ease. The Everstt Dutch Oven is crafted with a black next-generation coating that's tougher, hotter, and completely maintenance-free. It resists stains and scratches, so it looks brand new meal after meal. It handles higher heat for perfect searing and browning, letting you achieve restaurant-quality results at home. And it never needs seasoning. No rust, no fuss, just flawless performance every time. It's the durability of cast iron, the convenience of enamel, and the performance of professional cookware, all in one sleek, modern design that you'll be proud to display. Its cast iron core delivers unbeatable heat retention and even cooking. The Everstt Dutch Oven works perfectly on gas, electric, induction, and ceramic cooktops, and even in the oven. Cook your favorite dishes, then bring them straight to the table with confidence and style. With our 3-piece Dutch oven set, you can prepare an entire feast for family and friends. And with our innovative magnetic trivet, you can move from stove or even straight to the table with ease and safety. Now for the most exciting part, the dual fire. It's a 2-in-1 reversible surface that transforms your cooking experience. One side for steaks, burgers, and seafood, all with perfect grill marks. Flip it for pancakes, crepes, eggs, sandwiches, and more. Compact, portable, and easy to use. It's your ultimate cooking companion. With the extra lid, you can cook on both sets at the same time. Stove or oven, no problem. We've reimagined the Dutch oven to cook better, clean easier, and last longer. All at a fraction of the price of fancy cookware. No compromises, just pure cooking joy. Let's make every meal an Everstt feast.
The Everstt Dutch Oven, the only kitchen tool you'll ever need.
Now live on Kickstarter. With Everstt, you unlock endless possibilities in your kitchen. Let me show you.
Was leaving you disappointed?
It sucks, man. What can I tell you? Now live on Kickstarter. Go!